Here I've got Samsung Galaxy Grand 2 and let me show you how to set up the following device. So at first you have to select the language that you would like to use your device in. As you can see, there's plenty of them and I would like to have it in English UK. And then click on Start. Now you can insert your SIM card if you want to, but you can also skip it for now. Then you can connect to your Wi-Fi network and I will connect to mine, which is HardReset.Info. Connect, wait a couple of seconds and now it's connected, so we can tap on Next. Now you can set the date and time, but we will leave automatic date and time and also automatic time zone. Here you have to agree to the terms of service. You can come along with all of the info. They are definitely worth reading because you should be aware of what you are agreeing with. And then just tap on Next once you come along with them. Now you can log in with your Google account. You can either create a new one or log in with current one. So let me click on yes and then enter email address, which is HardReset.Info, sorry. Info1 at gmail.com. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only it's done, click on yes. On Next, sorry. Now you can come along with terms of Google service and privacy policy. If you will click on the links, you will be able to read all of the info, and then click on Next and wait a couple of seconds. Now you can select particular Google services. You can switch off some of them if you want to, and then tap on Next. You can also enter your billing information, but I will skip it for now. You can set it up always, so also later then. And now just enter your name and second name and tap on Next or you can also log in with your Samsung account. You can create a new one, but I will log in with Google ID. And here you can enter all of the info, but let me go back and skip this one for now. But we truly recommend to do it. You can do it obviously later. And now just tap on Finish. And as you can see, we've just finished the configuration process, and now you can use your device, set it up, set a wallpaper, add some contacts and all the others. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.